Squid Camouflage, masters of disappearance. Imagine a creature capable of instantly changing its appearance to match its surroundings. That's the incredible ability of the squid. This isn't just about blending in, it's an art form perfected over millions of years of evolution. They possess specialized pigment containing cells called chromatophores, which are controlled by their nervous system, allowing for incredibly rapid and complex color changes. Think of it as having thousands of tiny, individually controllable pixels covering their skin. This allows them to mimic the texture and patterns of rocks, coral reefs, or even other animals, a truly remarkable feat of camouflage. Beyond simple blending, they also use these abilities for communication, displaying vibrant colors and patterns to attract mates or warn off rivals. It's incredible how squids don't just camouflage themselves, they actively engineer their appearance. These masters of disguise possess tiny pigment containing cells called chromatophores. Think of them as microscopic bags filled with color. Each chromatophore is controlled by muscles that expand or contract, changing the size of the pigment sac and thus altering the color it displays. They also have iridophores, which reflect light to create shimmering effects, and leucophores, which scatter light for brightness. By rapidly manipulating these cells in complex patterns, squids can instantly change their skin texture and color to match their surroundings or even communicate with other squids, a truly remarkable feat of biological engineering. What's truly remarkable is how quickly a squid can change its skin color and patterns. It's all thanks to these specialized pigment containing cells called chromatophores. Each one acts like a tiny bag of ink, expanding or contracting based on signals from the squid's brain. Think of it as having millions of miniature shutters controlling the light reflecting off their body. This isn't just about camouflage. They use these rapid changes for communication to displaying aggression, attracting mates, or even startling predators. These shifts can happen in a fraction of a second, making them some of the fastest color changes observed in nature. It's incredible how accurately squids can blend into their environment. While some animals simply change color to match a background, squid take it a step further with specialized cells called iridophores. These aren't just about matching hues, they act like tiny mirrors, reflecting light in incredibly complex ways. They create shimmering patterns that mimic the texture and movement of water itself. Imagine a living ripple effect. This allows them to not only disappear against coral reefs or sandy ocean floors, but also to break up their outline, making it far harder for predators or potential prey to spot them. The iridophores essentially project an illusion, fooling observers into seeing something other than what's really there. It's amazing how squids use their camouflage, and it's far more than just a defense mechanism. They are masters of ambush predation, using this ability to their advantage when hunting. Imagine a small fish swimming along, completely unaware that a squid is blending seamlessly with the seafloor right above it. Then, in a flash, the squid launches an incredibly fast attack. Their camouflage isn't just about matching color, they also mimic textures and even patterns of seaweed or rocks, becoming practically invisible until the very last moment. This allows them to get close enough to their prey, often smaller fish or crustaceans, for a successful strike. It's truly a remarkable display of evolutionary adaptation. It's incredible to consider just how far squid camouflage can go. We've seen them change color and texture to blend with their surroundings. But they have another trick up their sleeves: polarized light. Sunlight isn't just reflected off the water as a uniform glow. It vibrates in specific directions. That's polarization. Remarkably, squids can control the way their skin reflects light, mimicking this very same polarization pattern. This allows them to virtually disappear against the shimmering surface of the ocean, making them incredibly difficult for predators and prey alike to detect. It's a truly sophisticated deception, showing us just how finely tuned these animals are to their environment. Imagine being a squid in the deep oceana world of perpetual twilight. To survive, these incredible creatures have evolved an astonishing camouflage technique called counter-illumination. They possess specialized light organs called photophores along their bodies, and these organs produce a soft glow that perfectly matches the faint sunlight filtering down from above. The result? It essentially eliminates their silhouette when viewed from below. Think of it as nature's most elegant form of stealth there, actively erasing themselves from view. This brilliant adaptation allows them to ambush prey or evade predators, making them masters of disguise in the deep sea. It's truly remarkable how much control a squid has over its appearance. We've already seen their incredible color-changing abilities, but it goes far beyond simple hues and patterns. Their skin isn't just about displaying emotions or camouflage, it actively manipulates texture too. Specialized structures called papillae, tiny muscles beneath the skin, allow them to create bumps, ridges, and even a slightly rough surface. This allows them to perfectly mimic their surroundings, whether that's blending seamlessly with swaying seaweed or precisely resembling the jagged profile of a coral reef. It's an astonishing feat of biological engineering, allowing these creatures to virtually disappear into their environment. It's truly remarkable how sophisticated squid camouflage can be. We've seen them perfectly mimic textures and patterns, but recent research suggests something even more fascinating is at play. It appears that their color-changing abilities aren't just about matching what they see directly in front of them. They seem to grasp some fundamental aspects of how light behaves underwater. They adjust not only the color and pattern, but also the brightness and contrast based on the ambient lighting conditions. This suggests a rudimentary understanding of visual properties, like how far light travels or how it scatters in their environment. It's as if they're subconsciously compensating for factors that affect visibility, creating an even more seamless disguise. The incredible camouflage abilities we've witnessed, the color changes, the texture mimicking rocks and seaweed, are far more than just clever tricks. They're a powerful demonstration of evolution at work. For millions of years, squid have faced relentless pressure from predators like sharks and seals, and equally fierce competition for prey. Those individuals with even slightly better camouflage had a significant advantage. They were more likely to survive, reproduce, and pass on those advantageous genes. Over countless generations, this process refined their abilities, sculpting them into the masters of disguise we see today. It's truly remarkable how natural selection has shaped these creatures, illustrating just how profoundly evolution can impact survival in the ocean's challenging environment.